The URL is one of my favorite things about the web because it allows users to deep link into our applications in a way that you really can't do on any other platform. So I love the URL, but it's not exactly the most easy thing to use, which is why I'm so glad that React Router exists to make it much more straightforward and declarative. So I give you a bit of a background on React Router and an example of how to use it. I give you pretty much everything you need to know for this exercise, and that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and take a look at the final version of what we're trying to build and see how we can get started building that. So here's the final version. We're logged in, we can search for books, and here we can find these books. And now we can actually click on these, and that will take us to the /book/book ID URL where we can find details on that book. We can go back to the Discover page and search for another book, and then go to that book's details page. Then if we land on a URL that's not handled, like what, then that should take us to a sorry, nothing here, and gives us a link to go back to the Discover page. So that's your objective here. I give you an outline of what URLs are supported, and we've got several files that we're going to be working in for this exercise. And then we have some extra credits to handle URL redirects and also give our users a little bit more orientation around where they are in the app at a given time by highlighting the navigation item. So I think you'll enjoy this. This one's going to be a little bit more on the tricky side, especially that first extra credit, but I think you'll learn a lot. Have a good time, and we'll see you on the other side of the exercise.